In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your laptop running while turning off the screen. This is really useful if you want to leave something running in the background, like a long download, a backup, or maybe some code. But you don't want the screen on the whole time wasting power or distracting you. We're going to do this using your laptop's power settings. The idea is simple. We tell the computer what to do when you close the lid, or when the display is supposed to turn off. Instead of putting the whole laptop to sleep, we'll make it keep running while the screen goes dark. Start by opening your system's power settings. On most laptops, you can find this by opening the Start menu or System Search, then typing Power or Power Options. Look for something like Power and Sleep, Power Options, or System and Power. Go ahead and open that. Once you're in the power settings, find the section that controls what happens when you close your laptop lid or when the display turns off. This might be labeled Additional Power Settings. Then, choose what closing the lid does, or something very similar. Take a moment to click into that area. Here, you'll see options for things like when I press the power button, when I press the sleep button, and most importantly, when I close the lid. You'll usually have separate settings for when the laptop is running on battery and when it's plugged in. Change the When I close the lid option from Sleep or Hibernate to Do Nothing. Do this for whichever situation you want, on battery, plugged in, or both. By setting it to Do Nothing, you're telling your laptop to keep running normally, even if the lid is closed, which effectively turns the screen off while your programs continue working. After you've made those changes, save or apply the settings. From now on, you can start your download, backup, or long-running task. Then gently close the lid. The screen will turn off, but the laptop itself should stay on and continue working in the background. Just remember a couple of quick tips. Make sure your laptop has good ventilation when closed so it doesn't overheat. And if you're doing something intensive, it's usually safer to keep it plugged in. That's all you need to keep your laptop running while the screen is off.